Hello guys, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and today we are going to get to know me better. So for today's video, I decided I wanted to share more things about me with you guys because I don't really do that a lot. I mean, I have done like a really cringy get to know me tag. I did it last year, like around this time. It's been like a year. I'm gonna link that below, and I've also done like 5 facts about me or something. So, yeah, you can watch those if you want to know me in the past. There are a few things in there that are still true, but if you want to know me now, then this is a video you should see because I'm going to be sharing 10 facts about me with you. Yeah, it's going to be a super fun video, just getting to know me a little better, if that is okay with you. So, yeah, if you guys want to know me, stay tuned. And I want to know you too, so if you could like share any super cool or interesting facts about you in the comment section, I would love that too. Do that, and we can start with mine while you do that. I'm sorry, I'm like a really weird mood, but let us start. Okay, so I have my fact list over here, and we are going to start with, okay, so I don't know why I've like never mentioned this, but I don't know if I've ever mentioned this or not, but here it goes. I'm the oldest out of 3 kids in my family, so I'm the oldest. I'm almost 19, then I have my sister who's 15, and then my little brother who's 11. I'm the oldest, which is awesome and the worst at the same time. If you're an old child, what the hell am I saying? If you're like the older sibling, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's super fun. Love being the oldest. But yeah, let's move on to the next fact. Fact number 2, I am almost 19 years old and I don't have a driver's license. In Guatemala, you can get your driver's license at 16, but I never did that, and I know how to drive fairly okay. You know, it's I do good. I haven't killed myself yet. I only drive when I'm with my parents or my grandparents or something in the car with me. I never go out by myself. But I don't know. Guatemalan traffic is really not great. It's not ideal, and it's not very respectful. If you've ever been to Guatemala or you live here, you know that it's pretty hard to drive and it's not safe. So yeah, that sort of scares me, so I've never gotten my license, and I haven't gotten it yet, and I probably should, but I haven't gotten it. I'm almost 19 years old, and I don't have a license. Another one, you can probably guess if you've watched some of my older videos. I've never like said this, but you guys know. Matcha is my favorite drink. I love it. I went to Japan in 2016 and I tried it for the first time, and it was a new experience, you know, but it was really good. It's really good for you. It makes you poop a lot. I was gonna find a way to make that a lot more formal, but it makes you poop, and it's really good, and it tastes amazing. And my favorite matcha place ever is Cha Cha Matcha, New York City. If y'all have watched my videos before, you know that, but I also tend to drink matcha every single day in the morning or in the afternoon, depending on when I feel like doing my latte. And yeah, if you'd like me to show you how I do my matcha latte thing, I definitely can. I'm probably gonna do it on Instagram, so follow me there. Shameless plug. But yeah, matcha is my favorite drink. I've always loved tea. Matcha is completely different, but it's really good. It's really good for you as well. And that is it for that one. Next fact is that I have a very memeable face. I don't know, like, I mean, I do a lot of weird faces in my videos, but in general, like, my friends have so many faces of me that could easily be memes. Like, I could go viral at any moment. I haven't done it yet, but I have a very memeable face. I am going to see if I can find any embarrassing pictures of me and put them up on the screen. I'm probably going to regret this later, but it's fun. I have a memeable face, and yeah, that's a fact about me. Another fact is that I decided not to go to college. I graduated high school last year, and I was like, you know what, college really isn't for me. Super cool if it is for you, but it wasn't for me. I was like, you know, I don't really have anything that I'd love to study and I'd love to invest so much money in. So I decided to go to makeup school and do other things, and you know what, it's pretty cool. I mean, I might go to college at some point in my life, but for right now I decided not to do that. So yeah, didn't go to college, and for now I'm not planning to, but And that brings me on to like my next fact. I'm a certified makeup artist. I know a lot of people here on YouTube are like self-taught, and that's super cool. I was self-taught up until the point where I went to makeup school in New York City. I was there last year, and I took a course and I loved it. It was amazing. I learned a lot. So yeah, instead of going to college, I got my certification to be a makeup artist, and it's super fun. I love doing makeup on people, and I definitely see that being my career moving forward. So yeah. I'm not just here to teach you my tricks. I'm here to educate you on the things that I already learned because I went to school for it. So, yeah. Oh my god, this is so awkward. Next fact is a weird fact. You know, I'm a weird person. If you follow me, or if this is your first video, you might even like already know. You can tell. Okay, you can tell. But this is a weird fact. I just couldn't think of anything else. I have way too many celebrity crushes. Like, I have way too many. Like, it's not normal. A lot of people have, like, they set their eyes on one celebrity and they're like, oh my god, I love this person. Like, for example, Zac Efron. He used to be my celebrity crush, not anymore. There are a lot of people who have replaced him, and I'm going to tell them to you. I'm going to share my celebrity crushes with you. So number one, first and foremost, Shawn Mendes. Hello. He is number one, okay? There's no denying he is number one. I love him. He's only 9 months older than me, and I think that is destiny calling for us to be together forever. That is just me, but honestly, he's amazing. He is gorgeous, but he's such a humble person, and he is an incredible artist and musician, so like, he's everything. He is everything to me, okay? Okay. I'm also crushing, like, my girl crush right now is Dua Lipa. She's amazing. Like, she's incredible. She has a beautiful voice, beautiful face, and she's genuinely, I mean, I don't know any of these people, but I think that they're very genuine and nice from what I've investigated on them. I've cyber stalked them. They're cool. She's cool. We could be really good friends. I have a tutorial up on one of her looks, and I discuss my friendship with her, so if you guys want to know that, I'll leave it linked somewhere in this screen. And then my most recent celebrity crush, like the most recent one, Timothée Chalamet. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to say his last name. He's like French. I don't know French, but I've heard, I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name, Timothy, but he is amazing. He was in Call Me By Your Name, which is an incredible film. He was also on Lady Bird. Sorry, don't speak English. But anyways, yeah, he was in those two movies, and I'm pretty sure he's done some other things a little bit smaller, but he is my most recent celebrity crush because I just watched these movies, and they're amazing movies. Go watch them, by the way. But he is gorgeous. Like, first of all, he's like super cool and like nice and awkward, and that is me. Like, hello, Timothy, we are one. But he is gorgeous. He has a precious face. Like, it's incredible. But yeah, I'm also crushing on him. He's a great actor. He seems like a great person, and I wish we could also be friends or more. And those are the ones that I'm going to share with you today because I don't want to bore you for 5 hours talking about people I'm probably never going to meet. Let's move on. So I am a food lover. I love a lot of things, but my favorite food by far is avocado. And I've loved avocado even before it became popular. You know, now like everyone's like, oh my god, avocado is life, avocado toast, I love avocado. I've loved avocado ever since I was a little girl. I eat avocado every single day. More than once. Or at least once a day, but most days it's more than once. And I know avocados are freaking expensive. In Guatemala, they're not as expensive as in other places though, so that is a score. And I don't pay for avocados yet, so that's why I probably consume them like to an extreme amount. An extreme amount. I don't know what I'm saying. But I love avocado. I eat it. I can eat it by itself. I can eat it made as guacamole or in a toast or in anything. I incorporate avocado to everything. It is the food of life. It solves all my problems, and honestly, I'd be lost without it. So yeah, avocado is my favorite food. My favorite TV show, I watch a lot of TV, and I really love reality TV shows like The Voice. I'm really hooked on that right now. And, you know, I've watched a few Netflix shows and stuff. Well, not Netflix shows, but shows that are on Netflix. I'm currently watching Gossip Girl and blah, 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 blah. they're good. But my all-time favorite TV show is That 70s Show. I don't know why. It's probably one of the most boring TV shows ever. There's not a lot of drama, but I can't... But that is kind of what I love about it, because it's very simple, but it's really entertaining at the same time. There's obviously some drama, but it's mostly just fun, like funny characters, and I love them. And I don't know, there's something about That 70s Show that is very refreshing, and I love all the 70s fashion, and yeah. If you've never watched it, I definitely recommend it, because it's really funny, and it's really entertaining. So yeah, if you are into That 70s Show, let me know, because I am a fan. And the last fact about me could be another sort of boring one. I'm sorry if this I'm sorry if this video sort of bores you, but I have a small group of friends. That is my fact. I am an introvert. That's why I make videos for the internet, because I can talk to you guys and express myself. But I'm an introvert, and I know a lot of people, but I don't have a ton of, like, a huge group of close friends. I have a really small group of friends, and it's really cool having a small group of friends, because, you know, they're people who you can really trust. There's not a lot of drama, because we're just all people that feed off each other, and we're here to make each other's lives better. So yeah, there's nothing wrong with having a huge group of friends, but for me, I prefer a small group. I know this is another weird fact, but I was running out of ideas, and yeah, this is just another thing about me. I have very little close friends, and I don't regret that, and I love that, and it is the bomb, and I hope my friends watch my YouTube videos, because if not, then who does, you know? Who freaking does? Anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video. I know this was pretty random. I just wanted to share more facts about me. I am a pretty boring person, so a lot of facts could be boring. Let me know what you thought, and also don't forget to let me know a fact or a few facts about you in the comment section. I just love to get to know you guys better. If you have any other video suggestions, also let me know. I'd love to film content that you guys want to see. And if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. It gives me feedback. And make sure to subscribe to see this face every Sunday. Thank you all so much for watching. I will definitely see you on my next video. Bye. I always do this. And I always get lipstick on my fingers. Oh, would you look at that? I have a lot of fucking notifications in my phone.